Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Amna Sadek and I belong to Peshawar Model Schools. I'm your general science teacher for level 2 Hifzul Quran section. In the previous video, we have done the explanation of chapter number 1 human body, and we have done the explanation of body organs, skeleton and muscles and joints. So now today we will start the written work of the chapter number 1. So for that you have to open your books at page number 8 and also write the date on page number 8. Here you can see the question number 1 is answer the following question. Here you have to write the answer of the question related to the chapter number 1. So the question number 1 is, what is an organ? Answer is, the part of the body which does a special job is called an organ. Number 2 is, write the names of any 5 organs of the body with their functions. Here you have to write the names of any 5 organs with their functions. Number 1 is, eye helps to see. Ear helps to hear. Nose helps to smell. Tongue helps to taste. Teeth chew the food. We have discussed all these functions in the previous video in the explanation. So the question number 3 is, write any 2 functions of skeleton. Here you have to write the 2 functions of the skeleton. Number 1 is, it helps to stand upright, and the next is, it gives shape to the body. So we are done with this page. Now we'll move towards another page, that is page number 9, and write the date on page number 9. Here the question number 4 is, name any 5 important bones of our body. Here you have to answer the 5 bones of our body. Number 1 is jawbone, 2 is shoulder bone, 3 is pelvic bone, 4 is spine, and number 5 is skull. Question number 5 is, what is the function of the joint? Here you have to write the function of the joint. So the answer is, joint helps us to bend and move. Question number 6 is, define muscle. The softer part with the hard bone is called muscle. So we are done with the page number 9. Now we'll move towards another page, that is page number 10, and also write the date on page number 10. Here you can see the question number 2 is, fill in the blanks by using the following words. Here you can see the different words have been given to you, and with the help of these words you have to fill the blanks. As you can see, this is the question of the blanks, but I have changed the color of the answer of the blanks, but on your book you have to fill the blanks. Number 1 is, stomach digests the food. Number 2, lungs helps to breathe. Number 3, connections of bones are called joints. Number 4, muscles contract and expand. Number 5, visible muscle is tongue. So students, you have to stay on the same page, page number 10. Number 6 is, an adult has 206 bones in his body. Femur is the largest bone of the body. Skull protects the brain. Anvil is the smallest bone of the body. Rib cage protects the lungs. So we are done with the page number 10. Now we will move towards the page number 11 and also write the date on page number 11. Here you can see the question number 3 is, put a tick or cross. Here the different statements have been given to you and you have to write a tick in front of correct statement and cross in front of the wrong statement. So the number 1 is brain helps to think. Yes, brain helps to think, so it is correct, so we will write tick here. Number 2 is tongue pumps the blood. No, tongue, the function of the tongue is to taste and the function of the heart is to pump the blood, so it is wrong, so here we will write cross. Kidneys filter waste material. Yes, it is right, tick. Teeth chew the food. Yes, it is also right, so it is tick. Heart helps to see. No, heart cannot see. Our eyes can see. So here it is wrong. So number 5 is wrong. So here it is cross. Bones are not connected with each other. No, bones are connected with each other. So this statement is also wrong. So we will write cross here. Skeleton gives shape to the body. Yes, skeleton gives shape to the body. It is right. So we will write tick over here. Number 8, joints enable us to bend and move. Yes, it is right. So write the tick. Femur helps to stand upright. No, it is wrong. Skeleton helps us to stand upright. So it will be cross. Number 10 is muscles make up our skeleton. No, bones make up our skeleton. So here it will also be cross. So we are done with this page. Now we move towards another page, that is page number 12, and also write the date on page number 12. Here you can see the question number 4 is choose the correct answer and write it in front of its diagram: brain, eye, heart, lungs and kidney. Here you can see that the different diagrams of the body organs have been given to you and you have to write the name of the organ. Number 1 is kidney, next is brain, eye, lungs and heart. So we have done this. Turn your page at page number 13 and write the date as well. Here the question number 5 is match the column A with column B. Here you can see that 2 columns have been given to you and you have to match the column A with column B. So number 1 is elbow. Elbow is a joint, so join it with the joint. Next is nose. Nose helps to smell. Next is skull. Skull protects the brain. Ear helps to hear. Rib cage protects our lungs. Softer part with hard bones are muscles. Eye helps to see. Anvil is the smallest bone. Teeth helps to chew. Swimming is the movement. So you have to match it. So you have to match column A with the column B. We have done this. Now we will move towards another page at page number 14. Here the question number 6 is color and label the following diagram by using the given words. Here you can see that the different words have been given to you and with the help of these words you have to label the diagram. So number 1 is skull. Write the correct spelling of skull. Number 2 is jawbone. Next is shoulder bone. Next is rib cage, spine, pelvic bone, and the last one is femur. Here you have to label the diagram and also you have to color the diagram. Okay. So we are done with the labeling. Now we will move towards page number 15. Here the question number 7 is color and label the different joints by selecting the proper words given below. Here you can see the names of the different joints have been given to you and you have to label the diagram with these names. So we'll start with the left hand side. Here the first joint is neck joint. Next is elbow. Now we will move towards the right hand side. First is shoulder joint, then wrist and knee. So you have to label it with the correct spellings and you have to color it also. So we are done with this page. Now we'll move towards another page, that is page number 16, and here the question number 8 is write the missing letters to complete the words. Here the different words have been given to you, but in between these words some letters are missing. So you have to write the correct letters in the words. Here I have filled these words for you. Number 1 is stomach. Number 2 is rib cage. Number 3 is shoulder. Number 4 is elbow. Number 5 tongue. Number 6 spine. Number 7 wrist. Number 8 skull. Number 9 muscle. And last one is number 10 femur. So you have to do it correctly with the correct spelling. Now we'll move towards our last page, that is page number 16. And the question number 9 is arrange the jumbled words to make a proper words. Here the scrambled alphabets have been given to you and you have to arrange them. Here I have arranged these words for you so that you can do it easily. Number 1 is joint. Number 2 is bone. Number 3 is neck. Number 4 pelvic. Number 5 organ. Number 6 anvil. Number 7 heart. Number 8 kidney. Number 9 brain. And number 10 lungs. So this was our last page. We have completed the chapter number 1. Here is a note for you people that do all these work pages on your workbooks and practice them in your rough notebooks as well. Thank you so much.